Hi friends, today we'll discuss about matter in our surrounding. This is the first chapter in our 9th class. So first we'll discuss about what is matter. Anything which occupies space and have mass are called matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements called Panch Tattva, that are air, earth, fire, sky and water. According to them, everything living or non-living things was made up of these 5 basic elements. According to the ancient philosophers, these either living or non-living things are made up of these five basic elements. So now we understood what is matter. Anything which is occupying space and have mass are called matter. Now matter is classified in 2 forms. That is, one is physical, another one is chemical. In physical state, once again we are dividing into 3 states. That is solid, liquid and gaseous state. And in chemical, we are dividing into once again 3. That is element, mixture and compounds. Now, we will discuss each state. First, we will discuss about physical states of matter. That is solid. What are the characteristics of solid? First, we will discuss about what is solid and what are the characteristics of solid. Solids have fixed shape and size. For example, this is pen. In this pen, this having fixed shape and size, and it is occupying some space also. It has fixed volume, and solids have strong intermolecular forces of attraction. Solids have strong intermolecular forces of attraction. And there is no compressibility. We can't able to compress this solid state. We can't able to compress. Examples we can take pen, bottle, chalk, fan, etc. Anything. Like in our classrooms, we are using the benches, chairs, etc. So we understood what are the characteristics of solids. Solids have fixed shape and size. Solids have fixed volume also. Solids have strong intermolecular forces of attraction. Solids does not have compressibility, and moreover that examples are pen, bottle, chalk, fan, etc. So these all are the characteristics of solid. Now moving on to next one, that is characteristics of liquids. Like in solids we had seen that solids have fixed shape, but liquids do not have fixed shape and size. Liquids do not have fixed shape and size. It have fixed volume. Liquids are also called fluids. First we should know what are fluids. Fluids means which having tendency to easily freely flow. That are called fluids. Like liquids have tendency to easily freely flow, that are called fluids. That's why liquids are also called fluids. These are also having less compressibility compared to the solids. Examples are water, milk, petrol, kerosene, so many are there. Moving on to next one, characteristics of gaseous. Like liquids, gaseous do not have fixed shape and size. It does not have fixed volume also. And gases are also, like liquids, they are also called fluids because it can also easily freely flow. Gases are highly compressible. Examples are air, nitrogen, oxygen. These all are the examples of gases. Now we'll discuss about changing states of matter. Like first, liquid is changing directly to solid. When liquid is directly changing into solid, that process is called solidification. When liquid is directly converting into solid state, that process is called solidification. Example, when liquid is directly converting into solid state, that is called solidification. For example, water is converting into ice cube. That is an example of solidification. Like that, solid is directly converting into liquid state. That is called fusion. Just reverse, that ice cube is converting into water state. Solid state is directly converting into liquid state is called fusion. Like that, when solid is directly converting into gaseous, that is called sublimation. Camphor. Like gaseous is also directly converting into solid, that is also called sublimation. Now, liquids directly converting into gaseous state, that is called vaporization. When gaseous is directly converting into liquid state, that is called condensation. Now, we will discuss some other topics in the next video.